Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to create a Google account. Friends, today's era, most of the people they need the Google account, right? So if you want, you can create Google account by mobile and also by computer and also in laptop. So today I'll show you how to create a Google account in laptop. So friends, first you have to go on browser. After that, you have to go on Google and you have to write here how to create a Google account like this. You can write create Google account, then you have to press enter. You have to come down, then simply you can click on create Gmail account. After that you can click on create an account, and see my friends, here you have to select the name and surname, right? So I'll write the name. After writing the name, you have to click on next, then you have to select your date of birth, my friends. Then you have to select your gender. Then you have to click on next after this step, right? Now my friends, if you want, you can select your username, like your Gmail account. If I use existing email, I want to show how it. If I click on here, get Gmail ID instead. So my friends, you can write here how you want your Google account. Then I can click on next. I want to try this one will take or not. It's not taking, right? So I have to add something here. Then you have to click on next. Then my friends, you have to enter the password here, right? Again, I have to enter the password. After entering the password, you have to click on next. Then my friends, for verification code, you have to enter a mobile number. So I'll enter a mobile number. Then you have to click on next after giving the code. And if you want, you can add a recovery email address. And if you don't want, you can skip it. Then directly you can go on next to your email address, right? And see my friends, here is some rules and regulations. You have terms and conditions. You have to read it. After reading, you have to click on agree. Now my friends, directly you can use your Google account. You can go on Gmail. See my friends, this one is your Google account, right? So friends, like this, if you want easily, you can create a Google account. Friends, to create a Google account, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.